As we have seen in the conference, 11% of the energy loss is coming from the tire in case of an IC engine, and it can be as high as 25% in electrical vehicles. So, if we can improve, if the tire is improved, we can reduce the contribution of this one. So, tire plays a important role in reducing the CO2 emission, and also tire emits lot of during the tire wear. It emits lot of tire rod wear particles. That also needs to be controlled because that is also not a sustainable item. So, tire plays a key role in by improving the tire, we will be able to improve the CO2 emission as well as improve the sustainability. The tailpipe emissions are basically the it's coming from the fuel. If the system allows the fuel to be burned efficiently, it reduces the tailpipe emission. So, the tire, by reducing the rolling resistance, so we are able to improve, as we have seen in the today's conference, we are able to improve the fuel efficiency or the range of the vehicle. So, if the fuel is burned efficiently, the tailpipe emission also will come down. Yeah, that's a design challenge actually. So, if you look at, for example, between internal combustion engine cars and electrical engine vehicles. So, we know that there is no engine noise that is coming from the electrical vehicles. So, the tire noise is critical, and also the cities are becoming big. The noise that is coming out while the tire is rolling, that is also creating a big impact, especially in the cities and cities. So, we need to reduce the noise through the tire design, and when it comes to the tire wear particles, it is basically extending the life of the tire will reduce the tire wear particles. So, these are all new challenges that industry needs to cope up. The regulations are basically on multiple area. One is on tire noise, rolling resistance. In addition, there is also regulations that are coming on sustainability. So, when we have to meet the sustainability targets, we need to ensure these tires are either we are not consuming the future generations resources. So, there's lot of challenges that is going to come in generating resources that can be renewed within the lifetime of a person. So, for example, so there is going to be a lot of recycled material, recovered material, bio-based material. All these things are going to come into the tire. So, there is going to be a shift from the conventional raw material manufacturing to the sustainable raw material manufacturing. There is going to be a shift. This shift will be driven mainly by the regulations. Going forward, my expectation is, if you take a passenger car tire, from the current level of what is in India, the rolling resistance will go down by another 40 to 50%. Non-pneumatic tire is a reality. It's not a fiction anymore. So, if you look at various leading companies are already evaluating non-pneumatic tires. There is Michelin is evaluating this in Singapore, and there is one more country. They are working with General Motors. Many other companies have come out of the various models. At this moment, there are limitations on the product, but as the technology evolves, it is expected to these are going to be reality. But it's maybe it may take another 10 to 15 years to become a big thing. So, it's going to be a reality.